Is your money working for you, or is 2025 going to be another year where you're struggling to save, drowning in debt, and living paycheck to paycheck? Let's not sugarcoat it. Inflation isn't slowing down, and the financial landscape is shifting fast. But guess what? With the right moves, you can thrive. Ready to unlock the secrets? Let's jump in. Stop wasting money in 2025. If you're serious about improving your financial situation this year, you need to know these 5 must-do personal finance tips that could change your life. Stick around because the last tip is the most important, and most people are getting it completely wrong. What's your biggest financial goal for 2025? Comment below. Track every dollar, budget like a pro. Let's be real. Most people have no idea where their money is going. If you don't have a budget, you're already losing money without even realizing it. Example. Imagine this. You grab a coffee for $5. Then you eat out for lunch, $15. After work, you order takeout, another $20. Before you know it, you've spent over $1,000 in a month just on food. Solution. Start using AI-powered finance apps like YNAB, You Need a Budget, or Mint to track every dollar automatically. These apps analyze your spending and help you stay on track. No more guessing. Know exactly where your money is going. A budget is not about restriction, it's about financial freedom. Build an emergency fund, be ready for the unexpected. Here's the hard truth. Life is unpredictable. Your car will break down. Medical bills will happen, and if you're not prepared, be forced into debt. Example. Meet Jason. He never saved for emergencies, so when his car needed $2,000 in repairs, he had to put it on his credit card at 24% interest. Meanwhile, Sarah had an emergency fund, so she paid in cash and didn't stress for a second. Solution. Your goal? Save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in a high-yield savings account. Use apps like Chime or Ally Bank to set up automatic savings. Prepare for the worst so you don't have to panic when it happens. Destroy bad debt. Interest rates are rising. Credit card debt is the biggest trap in personal finance. In 2025, interest rates are at historic highs, meaning your debt is getting more expensive by the day. Example. Let's say you owe $5,000 on a credit card with a 25% interest rate. If you only pay the minimum, you could be paying it off for years and end up spending thousands in interest. Solution. Use the debt snowball method. Pay off the smallest debts first to build momentum. Use the debt avalanche method. Pay off the highest interest debt first to save money. Balance transfer cards. Transfer high-interest debt to 0%. APR credit cards to reduce interest. Debt steals your future income. The faster you eliminate it, the richer you become. Invest smart. Make your money work for you. Most people work for money, but the wealthy let their money work for them. If you're not investing, you're falling behind. Example. Imagine you invest just $10 a day into an S&P 500 ETF like Vanguard VOO or SPY. Historically, the market grows by 7 to 10% annually. In 20 years, that small habit could turn into over $150,000. Where to invest in 2025? Stocks and ETFs? Start with index funds like VUO or QQQ. Crypto, carefully. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Real estate. Consider REITs if you can't buy property. Wealth isn't built by working harder, but by investing smarter. Build multiple income streams. Don't rely on just one job. One income source is too risky in 2025. If you lose your job, how will you survive? That's why every successful person has multiple streams of income. Example. Meet Anna. She works a 9-to-5 job, but she also makes money from YouTube automation, affiliate marketing, and freelancing. So when her company downsized, she wasn't stressed at all. How to build passive income in 2025. Affiliate marketing, promote products and earn commissions. Amazon, ClickBank. Freelancing. Offer skills on Upwork and Fiverr. Print on demand. Sell t-shirts and digital products on Etsy. YouTube automation. Create faceless videos and earn ad revenue. One income stream equals financial risk. Multiple income streams equals financial freedom. So there you have it. the 5 must-do finance tips for 2025 that will set you up for success. Now, it's your turn. Are you going to take action or stay stuck in financial struggle? Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more personal finance and money tips. Comment below, what's your number one financial goal for 2025?